Hey guys, got a 2022 plate Ford Transit here. Just going to show you how to reset the tyre pressure warning light on this one. If you do find the video helpful, please give it a like, and if you want to see some more useful content like this, subscribe to the channel. Right, on this one, we're going to use the controls on the right hand side of the steering wheel and the screen in front of the dash. So from here, we're going to press the menu button, which is these three lines. Then we're going to scroll down till you get to maintenance. And then pressing OK, then scroll down till you get to tyre monitor, then press OK. It should show your pressures now, so make sure your tyres are pumped up to the correct pressures, and then you want to press OK here, and then hold OK to store the new pressures. So hold it down for a few seconds, the lines goes up and it says stored, and that's it.